Hey yo guys, welcome back to Photo Clip Reacts. I'm back with another video. I got a suggestion on my previous video. Someone here suggested that I react to Big Xhosa on Sway in the morning. Anyways, we are about to react to this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So the goal is to reach 100 subs by June, man. Let's go. Let's react to this video, bro. Let me get busy. Hey, wait. What was that? In loving memory of SA Hip Hop died in 2015. What? Nigga? We've had hits in between 2015 and now, my nigga. What you talking about? There's been Casper, there's been AKA in the mix, been, Youngster CPT. There's been guys in the mix. Don't act like hip hop was dead in that period. Nah, cap, bruh. It's all cap. Let me get busy, I can't be over, it's not that easy. I'm not a quickie, believe it or not, this ain't no replays. It's getting. I'm not a quickie, believe it or not, this ain't no replays. Replays, believe it or not, you ain't no quickie. My palms is itchy, I want a mealy. Fishy, I want my chips and I'm fucking dipping. She pussy stingy, her name is Meanie, but not the meanie. She don't take my money, she got me feeling like Uncle Vini. She kinda pissed me, I gave her hickey, she gotta miss me. These rappers dizzy, they soft like titties, it's such a pity. Ooh, these rappers dizzy, they soft like titties, such a pity. Oh my god, let's go, because oh my freaking god. Let's go. Forget about me. You boys can touch me. I got explosives like kamikaze, but I'm crashing. I'm in the alley. I fight like Ali, fight like Ali and kick like karate. Flashing like paparazzi. I want a Maserati. They say I blew it. They stupid nigga. I can't be losing. 10 down the deal. They gotta chill and I kept it moving. Wait. He turned down the deal and it kept it moving. Wait a minute. So this guy turned down a deal. I don't know, man. I know he has like a big following, especially on YouTube. I see some of his videos are reaching like 100K views in like few days and stuff. But is he like a long term? Let me see. Is it like an act that you can invest in long term? Is what I'm asking. Because it seems like he's in the lane of like, your meme rapping, your comedy type of rapping, not necessarily like treating rap as as a career and as a business, like as a real business, you know what I mean? So I don't know, but I don't know, man. Maybe the comedy type rapping is working for him, but so the question is, how sustainable is that type of rap? How sustainable is it? I keep it moving, I've been improving, I keep it moving. You can't remove me, you cannot cast me, this is my movie. Fuck all that big cause of shit. This time tell these guys, bruh. They cannot, this is your movie. God damn it. I gotta focus, I'm not no clown, I'm hurt inside and I feel like Joe. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Forget the Xhosa, man. Forget this comedy type of rap. Because I can tell this man has bars, my nigga. From what I've been watching now in this Sway in the morning, this man has bars, my nigga. This is proper type, like this is the rap that I can listen to. This is investable. This is long term. The hype here it would last a lifetime. I'm enjoying this, not the comedy type of rap. But that's just me. That's just my personal opinion. I can't be over. I got Jehovah. Give me my drugs as I'm breaking down. No, I can't be sober. My heart got cold as I wait for my wrist to catch pneumonia. Can't trust nobody. My paranoia just gotten stronger. So I move with God. The hand of God. I'm like Maradona. It's like Maradona, the hand of God. I paint my picture the way I want to. I feel like Pablo. I distribute it the way I want to. I feel like Pablo. I want the like he's saying, I paint my own picture. I'm Picanto. He's painting his own legacy. Right? You cannot fight it. You cannot dispute it. It's just, for me, it's just preference. I prefer this type of Xhosa. I prefer this one. the bars. This is
Dallas
me,
and
my nigga.
Benjamins call me Benny Blanco. Obrigado, my bitch like Lotto, she hard like Lotto. Skills I acquire, I'm like a choir, I speak the fire.
Oh my God!
Oh my, you
Oh
get a hyena?
my God!
Oh my god, this person. That
We
was
got a
fire.
hyena up in here!
That was fire. Oh my god, the video was fire. Oh my god, shout out to Big Closer. I enjoyed your bars, you were spitting fire. This is the type of hip hop that I listen to. Thanks to the guy who suggested the video.